We're going to replace our driver's side engine splash shield located underneath the front of the vehicle right here. On the underside here, we're going to have a couple 13mm bolts. Let's go ahead and loosen and remove those. There's one here. There's one here. Pop our washer off. We're going to use our 10mm socket and remove the rest of the screws. These two here hold this little splash lip on. We're just going to set that aside. Pop off any plastic clips that you might have. Our particular vehicle only has one in this position. We'll pop that off. We use our 10mm socket to go ahead and remove the rest of the screws holding this panel in. With your hardware removed, simply slide the cover out. Let's go ahead and start lining our cover up underneath here. Let's go ahead and install our plastic push clip here. Lock that in. Let's go ahead and start getting our screws lined up. I'm just going to get these started by hand. I'm going to continue getting the rest of our screws installed, working our way around. And let's start snugging down our hardware.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.